I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been a miner for a heart of gold. It's these expressions I never give that keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old, yeah. I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Redwood, I've crossed the oceans for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line that keeps me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old, yeah. Oh, you keep me searching for a heart of gold. And I'm getting old. Keep me searching for a heart of gold. Keep me searching and I'm growing old. Will you keep me searching for a heart of gold? I've been a miner for a heart of gold.
Todo va a estar bien, everything will be alright. The whole world's in His hands, your whole world's in His hands. In the darkness, in the trials, He's faithful and He's true. Your whole world's in His hands, y todo va a estar bien. There's been so many things that I just never said, like all the things I think about when I'm in bed. I never really liked to hear that I was wrong. Lost all my motivation, never saw the sun. It's been super cloudy, I'm used to the night. I lost so many things, almost lost my sight. It all changed when I found you. Decided to throw everything and run towards you. I'll never be by myself, I got you right by my side. I know you'll never leave me alone. You're the rider, I'm the boat. It's all I started, yeah. Everything will be alright. The whole world's in His hands, the whole world's in His hands. In the darkness, in the trial, He's faithful and He's true. The whole world's in His hands, it's all I started, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Everything will be alright. Oh, oh, oh. Todo va a estar bien.
Lucy gunning for the souls of the soldiers on the narrow road, lost some bros on the shoulder. See, it's getting colder, but I know what He told us. They gon' hold you down, but the crown gonna hold up. Yes, indeed, on my melody is by that day, and I will never leave. I don't need to die for me to rest in peace. The recipe, half a cup and liver, water fresca. Singing D.O.S.V.L. y cumple sus promesas. Wepa, let me see, heaven looking good on me. Ooh, yeah, turn my 2020 to some 23. Ooh, yeah, I just wanna see you through the pain now. Rain down, high in the day.
Santo amin. Diyos namon sa kaloy, Ikaw ang amon nga amay, magbubuhay Agindong tanamon, dili na magliwat kami. Namatay si Jesucristo dito sa Kalbaryo. Agot kita pamawion sa dakong makasuko. Jesus, maloy ka sa amon, patawaron mo kami. Ang salagin tanamon, dili na magliwat kami. Pagsaysay, may isa ka hulubaton nga nagasiling. Wala sing tao nga nagabato sa ibabaw sining kalibutan. Ini natapahayag sa isa ka kamatuoran nga tanan kita mapatay. Magudray panundumon nga nadulang sa katawo sa aton tumaw. Hindi na siya makapag-ambit sa aton mga kasakit sa mga kalipay, sa aton mga kapalawang sa mga kadalasan. Oo, natagan sa aton nagapangmamuna nga natakot ng tanan para sa iya. Pero matuod bala ini, kita nga mga Kristiyano sila tuo kang magalaon sa Kristo. O ang mga hinigugmang si Rafael sa pagbusiya nga kabuhi. Karoon na luwas na siya tanan ng kabulalan sining sinabuhi. Bato na siya sa imupulutan sa sinula ng pagpatuloy. Wala nang kapagisi o pasakit. Kung ang ipagdait sa kanilay lamang, o Kristo Kristo, yung anak at aming Ginoo. Salmo 27. Ang Ginoo ang mga pagkapawa at ang aking kaluwasan. Wala akong ikahat. Ang Ginoo nag-aapil sa akong katanan ng katalagman. Wala akong ikapangawan. Katapusan ng pangamulo. Amay, nagapasalamat kayo sa inyo, tumugunta na ng kalipaan. Naimugin pa ang Bete Rafael sa iyang pagkabuhin dari sa iyo. Parain, Yeso, tuguti nga magpauli siya dito. Dilin ang kamatayon ang mawala. Iya makita sa imong poloyan, kalipay ngaway kapusan. Ginong Diyos agtuga, magbukas sa iya. Sa ganas ang paraing Iso. Magmaya ka rin sa kalawin, pinabuhay, kinagawalis ka ng lauman namin. Magmaya ka, maging pangalaba kami sa iyo, mga tinanulunan namin. Nagapaniga ko kami sa iyo, nabako ka pa namin, sinunod ka ang malawa. Talaga lang mo naman, nililitaw mo yung mga tango. Pagsaupos ng klaro sa pagsaupos sa amin, ipakita mo sa amin, sa mga tango sa mga. O manuloy ko, may higang mo ang pag-iisip, tapos kami mga karag na namin ang alagay sa Kristo ang aming.
Who can say for certain? Maybe you're still here. I feel you all around me.
your memory so clear. Deep in the stillness, I can hear you speak. You're still an inspiration. Can it be that you are mine forever, love? And you are watching over me from up above. Fly me up to where you are, beyond the distant star. I wish upon tonight to see you smile, if only for a while, to know you're there. A breath away is not far to where you are. Are you gently sleeping here inside my dream? And isn't faith believing all power can't be seen, as my heart holds you?
Who am I that the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt? Who am I that the bright and morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Well, not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. A wave tossed in the ocean, vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. I am yours. I am yours. Who am I that the eyes that see my sin would look on me with love and
watch me rise again. Who am I that the voice that calmed the sea would call